Hey. Okay, I'm supposed to be going to sleep. Every night, I love to drink some green tea and some chamomile, and this time I'm going to try Taylor's green tea with jasmine. I haven't tried this one before, but let's get into it. Me and my husband, we drink tea every night, and it's really good for inflammation. These are my cute little cups that I drink out of. I'm drinking out of this one because I like a little bit extra, and my husband's going to drink out of this one because he's like, I'm not drinking all of that. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I don't have a kettle, and I'm going to use a pot to go ahead and get this started. I'm going to have this on high because I already know it's going to take about 5 to 6 minutes for it to come to a boil. So if you're like me, you don't have a kettle, you can definitely get one from like Ross or something like that. But I have a pot, and this is what works for me, and it'll be ready in about 6 minutes. So the instructions say to have this in your cup for about 1 to 2 minutes in 1 cup. I'm assuming it is about 8 ounces. So I'm just going to put this into my cup and go ahead and get started with that. Let's see, can I make it? Sure. Hiya! Oh, dog it. I definitely failed that one. Let me see. Hiya! Hiya! Okay, I made it. Okay, and this is my chamomile herbal blend. It's caffeine free, and I know I am drinking caffeine before bed. It is a little bit different than drinking like a Coke or something like that. It does make you feel a lot better having the green tea and the chamomile. It makes it a lot more rounder. The taste is better, and also it has a lot more great properties. Yeah. Man, still missing that one. Yeah. So when it starts looking like this, it's ready. All right, and we pour. Pour it up. Okay. Pour it up. Uh-oh, she's slow. Let me add some more. All right, so we're going to add some more water to my husband's cup right here. Remember, it said that you need to leave the green tea in there for 2 minutes. And I want to be able to go to sleep tonight. So I'm going to remove the green tea, and I'm going to still add the water. See, right now, it ain't hot. I need you to hurry up. And so I can put that in there. But mine is already ready. So in a few seconds, I'm going to take this out. Look at the color on this, okay? She's getting dark. She wants to go to bed. She wants to be able to sleep tonight. Look at the color on that. She wants to go to bed tonight because this green tea better not be too strong. All right, so we have now come to a boil. We're going to go ahead and get ready to pour. Okay, and then I'm just going to top mine off just because. Gonna top it off just because. So gonna add my honey. All right, add my honey to here. Now we try it. Oh, it's good. It's round. It has all of the properties that you need. Yes. And now I'm about to relax, watch one of my favorite shows. This is really good. You should try it. Like and subscribe. Bye. Okay, Taylor. Okay, Taylor. Hey. Okay, I'm supposed to be going to sleep. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired.